If you are from Hawaii and want to become a plumber, then this video is just for you. We'll be discussing every major aspect related to the plumbing industry in Hawaii. A guide on plumbing in Hawaii. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics states that there are 2,050 people engaged in the plumbing, pipe fitting, and steam fitting industry in Hawaii. Hawaii is an island state of the United States of America and is located in the Pacific Ocean. As of 2018, the estimated population of Hawaii was 1.4 million people. It is one of the geographically smallest and among the least populated states of the USA. Tourism is the largest industry in Hawaii. In 2014, the per capita income of Hawaii residents was $54,516. The unemployment rate in Hawaii is 3.2%, which is lower than the national average. Hawaii ranks low among the US states in terms of personal income, but has a high cost of living. Hawaii residents have to pay the highest per person state tax in the USA. In spite of being a small island state, Hawaii is a distinct melting pot of different cultures. There are also a wide range of educational and employment opportunities available for the citizens in Hawaii. This video will focus on the career prospects of a plumber and offer a detailed guide on how to become a plumber in the state of Hawaii. What insurance is required for plumbers in Hawaii? All licensed plumbers operating in Hawaii must have current and updated policies of the workers' compensation insurance, general liability insurance, and property damage insurance. The workers' compensation insurance requires plumbers to submit a certificate of coverage along with a statement from the provider that the board will be notified about any changes in the insurance. General liability and property damage insurance requires plumbers to show a certificate of complete policy coverage from a provider authorized to carry out such business in Hawaii. Plumbers must have the following minimums for each type of liability insurance: bodily injury liability, $100,000 per person and $300,000 per occurrence. Property damage liability, $50,000 per occurrence. Unless a coverage policy is reinstated within 60 days of expiration, the plumbing license is subject to automatic forfeiture. How to become an apprentice plumber in Hawaii. The first step in becoming a plumber is to get enrolled in an apprenticeship program. The state of Hawaii does not require licensing for a plumbing apprenticeship. However, plumbers must finish a certain number of credit hours in order to become a journeyman plumber. Apprenticeships can be found through a state-registered apprenticeship program from the Department of Labor and Industry Relations Workforce Development Division, or with a union, or via sponsored on-the-job training with a licensed or member employer, or with an approved participating college. In these programs, students acquire on-the-job training through classroom instructions as well as practical training. How to become a licensed plumber in Hawaii? There are two kinds of licenses for plumbers in Hawaii: Journeyman Plumber License and Master Plumber License. How to become a journeyman plumber? To become a journeyman plumber, it is mandatory to have a minimum of 5 years or 10,000 hours of experience as an apprentice plumber with sufficient on-the-job experience. This apprenticeship work can be performed with a private employer or a union, but it must be in compliance with the Uniform Plumbing Code. In order to acquire a license, an application form needs to be filled out, the fee for which is $40. Once the application gets approved, the candidate is allowed to sit for the journeyman exam. The examination fee is $90. It is a 3-hour closed book test comprising 100 questions. This exam covers a wide range of topics related to plumbing and administration. After passing the license exam, a candidate needs to submit an amount as license fee to the board. The charges are as following. If licensed between July 1st and June 30th of the first year of the cycle, 2021-2024, the cost is $306. If licensed between July 1st and June 30th of the second year of the cycle, 2019, 2022, 2025, the fee is $204. And if licensed between July 1st and June 30th of the third year of the cycle, 2023, 2026, and 2029, the fee is $102. After meeting the necessary requirements, a license is issued. How to become a master plumber? Having gained the journeyman worker's license, plumbers can start working to accumulate hours for the master plumber license. In order to become a master plumber, it is mandatory to have worked 2 years as a licensed journeyman plumber. There is also another exam that the candidates must pass. Plumbing schools in Hawaii. Vocational courses in plumbing are offered by a number of trade schools. These courses help students to gain quick employment in the plumbing industry. Through these courses, students at various levels enhance their knowledge base and become well equipped to carry out plumbing services. This section of the video will focus on some of the plumbing courses offered by colleges in Hawaii. The list of schools is as follows. Hawaii Laborers and Apprentice Training Center, Honolulu, offers an apprenticeship and joint training program titled Construction Craft Laborer Apprenticeship Program. Applicants must possess a high school diploma or GED and have a driver's license. During the 4,000 hours of coursework, students learn about pipe laying, water systems, sanitary or drainage systems, and work zone safety, among other things. The same course is also offered by Hawaii Laborers Apprentice Training Center campus at Farrington, HWY at Oahu. University of Hawaii offers 15 courses in plumbing and related aspects spread over a number of campuses from Hilo to Honolulu to Kahului. Honolulu Community College, Honolulu, offers a highly accredited apprentice training program. Training programs are also available for journey level workers who wish to upgrade their skills. Associated Builders and Contractors, Honolulu, a school in the capital city of Hawaii that offers training programs in 5 trades, one of which is plumbing. Coursework includes theoretical as well as practical training. Classes are held for 2.5 hours on 2 nights of each week. PAMCA, UA Pearl City, apprenticeship training programs are offered by the labor union located near Kamehameha, HWY. The unemployment rate in the construction industry in Hawaii has been rather high. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the entire world in more ways than one. It has had a devastating impact on most job sectors, with employment being pushed to the edges of uncertainty. Most jobs have also faced a dip in salaries. Under this situation, the status of plumbers and those engaged in the construction trade is not any different. On one hand, plumbers have had to face a certain amount of reluctance from clients who are unwilling to allow them entry into their homes in compliance with the social distancing protocols. On the other hand, a silver lining exists for plumbers as they are placed in the prime position for quick recovery. The construction workers have been recognized as a part of the essential critical infrastructure workforce. Plumbers have therefore continued their operations, regardless of the situation. This has acted as a ray of hope for the industry. It has also been predicted that the construction services market will grow by $37.39 billion by 2024. Safety has always been of immense significance in this industry, but the need for workers' safety and environmentally sound systems is increasing at a rapid rate. With sanitation systems being a major carrier of the virus, health is now a bigger priority than ever. Staff shortage due to COVID-19 virus has also created a need for plumbing contractors to expand their workforce by hiring more employees. With more people staying at home, there has also been an increased demand for construction workers, especially those like plumbers who deal with repairs. Ever since the nation went into lockdown, the construction industry has had to deal with a delay in import of equipment since most of the tools come from China. Under this scenario, most plumbing businesses are seeking alternatives, one of which is deciding to shift the supply chain closer to home. Although the current circumstances in Hawaii might look grave, the idea of a fruitful and brighter future for the plumbers in this state cannot be ruled out. We hope that this video has helped you to learn about plumbing in the state of Hawaii. Do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.